Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share the recipe of onion and carrot uttapam. This is a classic South Indian breakfast. You can make this soft and fluffy uttapams with variety of toppings. Without further delay, let's get started. The main ingredient is idli batter. I have already shared the recipe of idli dosa batter in our channel. I'll leave the recipe link in the description below. There's no specific measurement to make uttapam. Next, I have taken 2 finely chopped onions, green chilies, some curry leaves and coriander leaf. I have chopped all these ingredients in a chopper. Add in salt and mix everything well. I have reserved some onions here, which I'll be mixing it with carrot. Mix in 1 grated carrot, few coriander leaves and the reserved onions. I'm going to make 2 varieties of uttapam, which is carrot and onion uttapam. This is mini uttapam cast iron pan. Heat the pan and grease it with oil. Add in the idli batter. I could make 4 mini uttapams in one go using this pan. You can make uttapam in dosa pan as well. Top it with the onion mix. Now top it with the carrot mix. You can give any topping as per your wish. Drizzle some ginger oil on top of it. You have to drizzle more oil when it comes to uttapam. It will have crispy edges and soft and fluffy inside. When one side is cooked, flip the uttapam. Cook the uttapams in medium flame. Use idli batter to make uttapam so that you will get this fluffy texture. Drizzle more oil and cook the uttapams. The uttapams are cooked perfectly and I am removing it. The mini uttapams are ready to be served now. I am serving the uttapams with chutney and sambar. Uttapams can be served during breakfast or dinner. It tastes best when served with coconut chutney. Do try this uttapam and share me the feedback. If you make idli batter means, try to make this uttapam on the first day. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes like this. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.